Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn Zara Larsson's Lush Life dance break. This choreography is from Zara's tour. It is not my choreography, this is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, using a lot of repetition and having some fun. Please note this video is the tutorial only, so you will not find the music here in this video. However, there's another video where I will dance it with music, and that is linked down in the video description below or up here on this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice this dance with music. All right, let's move and have some fun. Here we go. This dance is short. It's only 4 8 counts, but it's really only 2 8 counts of choreography that we're gonna repeat. So let's learn it. You're gonna start your first 8 count. Your feet are gonna be apart. Left arm's gonna go out to the side. Your right arm's gonna circle around. So it's gonna go down. It meets your left arm. It opens up into a complete circle. It comes back to meet your left, and then both arms are gonna start to travel up. So you're really only doing like a 1.5 rotation. You're going 1, 2. Those are the counts. Your feet, we're gonna bounce. So you wanna bend your knees. You can even invert this right knee a little bit, and you're gonna sit down into that bounce on the count. So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and down, down. Yeah, nice bounce. 1, 2, and they both start to come up. Don't worry, it's gonna flow together. 5, 6, right arm circles on. 1, 2, and you can look here or here, wherever you want to. Both arms start to come up on after 2. We're gonna sit into your right hip on 3 as the arms come down and back. Sit into your left hip on 4 as the arms come back. So we're bouncing as we sit into these hips as well. 3, 4, right, left. The arms are gonna go back, front. You can slap your thighs if that feels good, or you can just swing them back, swing them front. Swing and swing. One more layer, you can look to the right and then look to the front with that one. So we'll go right, front. Try it, right, front. The counts are 3, 4. So you just do it 2 times. Once to the right, once to the left. So from the top, we're circling that right arm around. It looks like this. 1, 2, then they come down and look. 3, 4. So the arms go back and front. Yeah, try it. 5, 6, circle the right. On 1, 2, down 3, 4. 5, 6, circle the right. Go 1, 2, down 3, 4. From here, your hips are gonna continue 5, 6. So you're gonna do the same hips, bouncing again, right, left. This time your fingers are gonna come into L's. So pointer finger up, thumb out. You're gonna do the opposite of your hips. So you're gonna take your left hand and go out first, and then your right hand's gonna go out. And they're coming in and then out on the half count. So you're gonna go and 5 and 6. Pull it back, push it front, pull it back, push it front. Left arm first, but right hip first. Opposite. And 5 and 6. Just try that. Lean right, lean left, but your left arm goes first. Left arm, right arm. Yeah, so when we put together the first 4 counts, we're gonna bounce, circling the right arm on. 1, 2, then down. 3, 4, left arm. 5, 6. So your momentum should naturally keep going right and left because that's how it already was. You just have to remember to push the left arm first. Try it again, I'll count you in. 5, 6, right arm circles on. 1, 2, down, 3, 4, left, 5, right, 6. From here, you're gonna step on your right foot, move over a little, and bring your left foot to your right foot. And we're turning kind of to the side or even to the corner here. Your hands are out. The right hand's gonna come behind your head. Left hand's gonna go on your hip, however feels good to you. So this was and 5 and 6. You're gonna pull it here and you're gonna contract 7, open and contract 8. So think about like you're pulling your elbows together. And as you do that, almost like someone's punching you in the stomach. Huh, huh. Don't make that, no, you can. And 5 and 6. This is gonna be and 7 and 8. So you're hitting those contractions on the beat. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, that's our first 8 count. So really slow. Here's your preview. We're circling the right arm on 1, 2. They come down on 3. Swing back. 4. Left arm. 5. Right arm. 6 together. 7, 8. Yeah? I'm going to count you in. 5, 6. Right arm circles on 1, 2. Down. 3. Back. 4. Left arm. 5. Right arm. 6. Contract. 7, 8. So from here, great job. You went left, right. You have to quickly rebound over into that right leg. And 5 and 6. Yeah. Again, I'll count you in. 5, 6. Right arm circles on 1, 2. Down. 3. Back. 4. Left. 5. Right. 6. Contract. 7, 8. Yeah. Fantastic job. You're doing awesome. Remember 2 things. Number 1, it's a recorded tutorial, so you can pause it, practice it, go back, watch anything you need to, whenever you need to. Number 2, it's just for fun. It's just a dance trend. You can't mess it up. So if you're moving, you're doing it right. Let's just have fun, y'all. Let's move on to our second 8 count when you're ready. So we just went 7, 8. You're gonna step forward on your left foot. The right arm's gonna stay back. The left arm's gonna come out and flex. So it's gonna go straight. And as you step out, we're gonna keep that contraction going. So we went and 7 and 8. We're pulling it back and 1 and 2. So you're putting more of your weight, or maybe all of your weight, on your left foot, and that right knee is gonna bend in with this contraction. So feet were together. Now we're gonna step and bend that right knee in as we do this. So this was 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. We're still doing 2 more contractions, but you're stepping forward, so your weight's more in your left foot, and you can take your head more with this one too. So now we're doing like this sprinkler thing. I don't know, y'all. So we did 7, 8, and 1 and 2. So you're contracting on the 1 and the 2. Yeah, try it here. So we're gonna step out and contract on 1. 5, 6, 7, contract on 1, 2. From here, you're gonna pull open one more time on the and then we're gonna turn on 3. If you don't wanna turn, we'll talk about it here in a second. So you did 2, and 1 and 2, and you're gonna push off of your right leg, bringing that right leg up to your left. It's already going really well. So you're gonna turn to your left this way. On that left leg, right leg's just gonna come up and you're gonna spin around yourself. So you're going here, here. I'm gonna kind of push back to give myself a little oomph, and then I'm gonna push it up onto that left leg. It doesn't really matter exactly where you land because we're gonna run around on the next count. So even if you don't make it all the way around, that's okay. If you don't wanna spin on one leg, might be hard depending on what kind of shoes you have on, if they're too sticky to spin. You can just take some steps turning around yourself. Because again, we're gonna go into running. So you could just go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then we'll take off running to finish your turn. If you don't wanna turn at all, 1 and 2 and you can just dance. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. We'll take off, we'll learn that in a second. So don't turn if you don't feel comfortable turning. One more thing, the dancers in the live video, Zara herself pulls this right arm over her head when she turns. So she takes it from behind her head and it wraps around as she's turning. Some of the dancers just drop their hands. So choose your adventure there, whatever you think feels best to you. You can hit, and spin, just let those hands drop down. Or you can hit, and bring that arm around your head. choose your adventure. That's on 3, 4. So we finished our last 8 count here. 7 and 8, we're gonna step forward. 1 and 2, and we turn. 3, 4, let's just finish it out. You're gonna take little runs. It doesn't even matter which foot you're stepping on. 5 and 6, and 4 little runs, and then you're gonna jump out 7. So jump your feet apart. Hands are gonna come down nice and strong like a pose. 7, and we're gonna hold the count of 8. You can hold the arms up when you're running. That's what I'm gonna do, or do whatever you want with your arms. So we turned. 3, 4, you're gonna run. 5 and 6, jump out. 7, hold 8. And that's our second 8 count. Ooh, so let's mark it again. This was 7 and 8. From here, we're gonna step on your left. 1 and 2, we turn. 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6, we jump. 7, hold 8. Yeah, I'm gonna count you in. So we're gonna start from here. 5, 6, step forward on your left. You got it. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, run. 5 and 6, jump. 7, 8. Yeah, probably wore the wrong shoes for this dance. Let's do it again. So we're gonna step forward on your left. You're doing awesome. 5, 6, step forward on your left. This is 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, run. 5 and 6, jump. 7, 8. Yeah, great job. Let's connect our first and second 8 counts. Let's talk about it, then I'll count you into it. Feet start apart, left hand's gonna go out. We're gonna circle the right. 1, 2, we pull them down and look. 3, they swing back. 4, left arm. 5, right arm. 6, step together and contract. 7, 8, we step to the front. 1, 2, we turn. 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6, we jump. 7, hold 8. Yeah, I'm gonna count you into this time. We're still gonna go slow. 5, 6, circle your right arm. 1, 2, pull it down. 3, back. 4, left arm. 5, 6, contract. 7, step to the front. 1, 2, then we turn. 3, 4, then we run. 5 and 6, we jump. 7, hold 8. Great job. You have learned all the choreography. Now we're just gonna repeat it. So you turn, you run, you jump, you hold the count of 8, and then we're just gonna start the 2 8 counts again. Left hand's gonna go out, right arm's gonna circle on. 1, 2, bring them down. 3, swing them. 4, left. 5, right. 6, contract. 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, we turn. 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6, and the only difference here is I'm gonna take my hands up on 7, and you can hold them like a little ending pose, or you can hit and then let them fall down. Whatever you wanna do. And then that's really the end. Yeah, so 4 8 counts total. We're repeating 2. The only difference is instead of jumping with my hands down, I'm gonna jump with my hands up. The opposite. Down on the first one, up on the second one, and that's it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go back to the top. We're gonna do all 4 8 counts super duper slow, just so we can see how it all fits together. And so my brain will work. Here we go. We're gonna bounce into those legs. 5, 6, right arm circles on. 1, 2, pull it down. 3, back. 4, left arm. 5, right. 6, contract. 7, 8, step forward. 1, 2, we turn. 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6, we jump. 7, we hold. 8, we circle. 1, 2, we pull down. 3, look. 4, left. 5, right. 6, contract. 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, then you turn. 3, 4, then you run. 5 and 6, arms up. 7, hold. 8. Yeah. Amazing job. Of course, it's faster with the music. We're gonna go a little bit faster here first. If you're not ready, go back, watch that slower tempo as many times as you need to. If you wanna go faster, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready. 5, 6, you got it. Right arm circles on. 1, 2, pull down. 3, back. 4, left. 5, right. 6, contract. 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, we turn. 3, 4, we run. 5 and 6, we jump. 7, hold. 8, right arm. 1, 2, pull down. 3, back. 4, left. 5, right. 6, contract. 7, to the front. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, run. 5 and 6, jump. 7, 8. Yeah. Great job. Let's do it one more time here together. We're gonna go even faster. Hang on for the ride. I believe in you. I know you can do it. And at the end of the day, if you're moving, you're doing it right. Here we go. Right arm's gonna circle. 5, 6, 7, right arm goes. 1, 2, pull. 3, back. 4, then 5, 6, contract. 7, to the front. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, run. 5 and 6, we jump. 7, then right arm. 1, 2, pull. 3, 4, then left, right, contract. 7, to the front. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, run. 5 and 6, jump. 7, 8. Amazing, amazing job. And that was our tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, when you're ready to practice it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice. If you had fun today and you'd like to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope you've had fun. I hope it got you up and moving, maybe sweating a little, or maybe that's just me. Oh my gosh. Go have an incredible rest of your day. Please remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.